Hello and welcome to the Manager's Guide to IT Innovation Waves. We hope you enjoy our video. Thank you. Hello, today we're going to talk about IT innovation waves and how managers should take the proper steps when implementing these new strategies. In the business world, managers continue to face new waves of information technologies, each hoping to improve the success and efficiency of their respective companies. The hype cycle is a method used to describe how IT innovations are introduced into the business world in a wave-like manner. The new innovations are hyped up, essentially meaning that they effectively grasp the attention of all businesses. This model is exemplified by a peak followed by a trough, and then once again an upward sloping curve. The next topic is about how innovations are spread. The spread of IT innovation can also be characterized as an intellectual epidemic. This concept means that business leaders are infected with new knowledge pertaining to IT innovation, and this information spreads like a disease to other companies. The information is spread throughout the business world via the process of diffusion. The best way to describe the IT innovation spread is to think of it as a wave machine. The wave machine is broken up into 5 stages: breaking the surface, sending out ripples, causing a squawk, building the swell, and the last one being riding the crest. The first stage of the wave machine is when the IT strategy just breaks the surface of the new business world, and just like a object breaking the surface of water. The second stage is sending out ripples, which is when the IT strategy tries to gain recognition in the marketplace via professional services automation, which is also known as a PSA, that they use in order to gain recognition. The third stage is causing a squawk, which is where the IT strategy needs to make a statement in the business world, especially with very skeptical IT managers throughout the business world. The best way to gain recognition in the business world is through conferences and expositions. This is the perfect place to showcase the ideas of the new innovations and strategies. The fourth stage in the IT wave machine is building the swell, which is when companies actually need to invest money into these IT strategies and implement them into their business plans. This can result into a bandwagon effect and to a resulting swell of attention within the business world. The fifth stage is riding the crest, which is when an IT innovation gains momentum in the business world. The companies are now able to reap the rewards and utilize the advantages. However, the momentum from a new wave of an IT strategy does begin to falter. Implementation is very costly and time-consuming, which can be highly problematic, especially for smaller companies. This causes an implementation gap, which can hinder the enthusiasm associated with a wave of IT innovation. Some innovations continue to flow, but at slower rates, until the next wave comes crashing in. The wave complex consists of large wave being carried on by much shorter waves of IT innovation. The rate at which the value is actually attained comes long after the community's attention to the original wave. In order for managers to fully comprehend it, they must understand the 4 dimensions, which consist of cumulative attention, adoptions, implementations, and value added. Attention is when an IT wave is trying to gain recognition. Adoption is when businesses commence the announcement of adopting the new IT strategies. Implementation is when a company actually starts using the new technology. And value is when the companies that incorporated the new technology start achieving awards for their decision. When a manager is faced with the decision to adopt a new IT strategy, it is important that they choose mindfully rather than mindlessly. When a manager makes a mindful decision, they take the careful steps needed to incorporating an IT innovation correctly. 3 takeaways from this video should be to understand the difference between the attention wave around an IT innovation and the actual implementation and value achieved of the new IT plan. Companies that implement new technologies are much smaller than the businesses adopting it, and also to make mindful decisions rather than mindless ones. Thank you, and really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.